Heard on the radio there was a crash.
I know. They're not telling us anything.
Someone said passenger plane. I was told to search for survivors.
The jumbo jet crashed onto the town of Lockerbie in the Scottish borders. Flight number 103 from London Heathrow to Kennedy.
I know there's a lot going on. Mark where bodies are found. Do not move anything. You do not need to move.
Priority is preserving the scene.
How can I help?
Please, we just want to know what's happened to our son.
Nearly 200 Americans lost their lives. We need the black box to tell us how.
If this was deliberate, this whole town's a massive murder scene.
This is Clipper 103. Going.
Pilot never saw it coming. 21 countries have lost citizens in this attack, so inevitably it will require an international effort.
Let's pull together a full factual on this plane. Flying hours, pilot history, whatever we can get. What do you think? Is it a bomb?
Does this mean the bomber was a passenger?
What we know is different than what we can prove, but the investigation continues.
Is anyone called to take credit?
Until we catch who's responsible, who's to say it won't happen again?
Family should have been protected and prioritized from the start. I'm going to do everything that I can to help.
This was an act of war, and now we have to find out who we're fighting.
You think you're ahead of them? Trust me, they're ahead of you.
Do you have an appointment, sir?
No appointment, but I know who put the bomb on Pen M103.